Hey, Kushal. God, I hope I'm saying that right. Matt O'Brien here, reporting from one of my favorite urinals at Costco. Just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. I hope it's a very special day and it's everything you want. Woo! Just like this is everything I want right now. I hope Eva treats you well on your big day. Takes you out for a nice treat, maybe even a Billy Miner pie at the keg. That'd be nice. Yeah. And maybe maybe grow that mustache back, because that was a hell of a mustache. And as we all know, only men with mustaches matter these days. Mustaches matter? Don't start saying that. I don't think you'll agree with that. Anyway, have a great birthday, and thanks for your support, and we'll see you around. Oh my God.